Skateboarding here. Yeah, baby, come here!
Get that? Ready?
In this context.
Oh, this scared you.
Are you ready for it?
Look at that. It's gonna Stay there.
Oh, we're sure.
Get him, Chance. Get him, Chance.
Oh,
That's the better view right there, Frank.
yeah.
Oh, dog, what in the hell did you get in? Oh, god dang it. Nope, nope, stop. You stay. Oh, Red, that's frickin' poo.
Right, so? Yeah. Let's go, boy.
What the my battery's low. Dude, that black guy's scaring me. I'm gonna say.
Hey guys, about to deliver my mom's Mother's Day present, and my dog is gonna deliver it for me. So let's do this.
Aww.
Take it. No.
Good boy.
Uh-oh.